My prince.
Yeah, what is going on? Have you seen the doctor?
No, that's what we're telling the nurse to go and call him, but she said he's busy.
Okay, but have they started treatment of any kind?
Nothing. They've not done anything.
Nurse, why? Why have you not started attending to my in-law? What's the problem?
I'm sorry, sir. The doctor has an emergency, but he will still be true.
I see. Choma, take it easy. I was just at your place and your mom told me everything that happened and that's why I'm here. We'll find a solution, all right? I know that you're worried, but don't panic. Actually, what your father needs is surgery for him to walk again. But I have it under control. I'll make a few calls to make that happen, okay? Please, cheer up. Stop crying. But can I at least see him, nurse?
Of course I can.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.